ABCDEF is a regular hexagon, what fraction of the area of the hexagon is the area of the kite ABCE? So there's an easier way to work this out, but the way I will be doing it involves a bit more maths, So to do that, the first thing I would do is assume that the sides of the hexagon are x. So if x was the side of the hexagon, so that would mean, it's a regular hexagon, so all sides are x. And we do know that the interior angle of a regular hexagon is 120 degrees. So we will put 120 degrees. In all of these angles are 120 degrees. The next thing I do is, now we have to find the area of the kite ABCE. So I will first join AC and you see that triangle AEC is equilateral. And that's because angle FAE would be 30 degrees, and angle FEA would also be 30 degrees, and that is because if angle AFE is 120 degrees, then angle FEA equals angle FAE, because of course this is isosceles, AF is isosceles, and that equals 180 minus 120 divided by 2, that is 30 degrees. So the same thing would apply to angle BAC, that would also be 30 degrees. Angle BAC equals 30 degrees, and therefore angle EAC equals 120 minus 30 plus 30, that is 60 degrees. So this angle would be 60 degrees, and also similarly angle AEC would equal 60 degrees, and angle ACE would also equal 60 degrees. So angle AEC equals angle ACE equals angle EAC, and that equals 60 degrees. So therefore triangle AEC is equilateral. Now once we got that done, the area we know of an equilateral triangle is √3 out of 4 times side square. Now what's the side of this equilateral triangle? We need to find that, and then we need to add this area plus the area of the triangle ABC, and we should get the area of the kite. So to get to the side of the equilateral triangle ACE, we know that we use a little bit of trigonometry here. If I were to drop a perpendicular fx is perpendicular to AE. So if I draw a line fx perpendicular, so fx is perpendicular to AE, then I can say that AX equals, or we can say that cos 30 degree equals AX divided by the hypotenuse, that is x. So therefore cos 30 degree we know is √3 out of 2, and that equals ax out of x. So therefore ax equals root 3 out of 2x. So we got ax is root 3 out of 2x, and similarly xe would also be root 3 out of 2x. So AE, therefore AE equals 2 times root 3 out of 2x, and that equals root 3x. And this is the side of the equilateral triangle, and that equals EC equals AC. So we can say that the area of the equilateral triangle AEC equals root 3 out of 4 times side square. So the side is root 3x square. So that would be 3 root 3 out of 4 x square. So that's the area of the equilateral triangle. That is 3 root 3 out of 4 x square. And to find the area of the triangle ABC equals AFE. So we find the area of the triangle by area of AFE and it equals area of ABC equals area of EDC. And so AFE would be, to find it, we have to find the height, fx. Now fx equals, if you were to do, instead of cos 30, sine 30, we would get that. So we can write that sine 30 degree equals fx out of ax, or fx, sorry, not ax, fx out of af, and sine 30 is half. That equals fx out of af is x, and therefore fx is x out of 2. So we get fx is x out of 2. Therefore we get the area of AFE equals half times base times height. The base is twice of root 3 out of 2x, 2 times root 3 out of 2x, and multiplied by the height, which is x out of 2. So we get that's root 3 out of 4. So x and x squared. So the area of ABC, of triangle ABC, so we can write here the area here equals root 3 out of 4 x squared. Once we get that, therefore the area of the kite we know. So the area of the kite would be So we have to add the two areas to get the area of the kite. I think you've already done it by now if you're following this video. So the area of the kite would be AECB or ABCCE would be 3 root 3 out of 4x square plus root 3 out of 4x square. So 3 plus 1, that would be 4 root 3 out of 4x square, that is root 3x square. That's the area of the kite. And the area of a hexagon, we know that very well. You see, if you had the same hexagon, if I was to draw it, hand draw, like by hand, a rough drawing, you see the area of a hexagon, we can divide it into 6 equilateral triangles, and the area of each of them, if the side was all x, they are equilateral, so they will all be x, and it would be root 3 out of 4x squared, so 6 times root 3 out of 4x squared. So the area of the hexagon regular equals root 3 out of 4x squared times 6, that's 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 2 is 4, that is 3 root 3 out of 2x squared. So therefore, if you now find the fraction area of kite divided by area of hexagon, so if I did area of kite divided by area of hexagon, I would get, the kite I got, root 3x squared divided by 3 root 3 out of 2x squared. So all the root 3's go away, the x squares go away, and I am left with 2 out of 3. And that is the correct answer. It is 2 out of 3.